I am Ajoy Kumar from Yokogawa, India. We are regulars in Automation Expo. We have been participating in all these years in Automation Expo because this is one place where we find the brightest mind of automation comes and meet. It's the right platform for the best people in the automation field to meet, to discuss, to see how business can be proceeded. From Yokogawa's side, this is a very important year. This is the 50th year of Centum. This year is what we installed, what we introduced to the market way back in 1975. So we are celebrating this year with Centum 50th year anniversary, which is something which changed the face of automation in globally as well as in India. This time we are introducing our complete solutions from Yokogawa. We have the field sensors, we have the IIoT products, we have the advanced solutions. We have the complete instrumentation offerings what we are having here, and we are discussing, we are ready to discuss and see how best we can meet the customers' expectation.